This is the reaction discussion of that time we got Reincarnated Slime, Season 3, Episode 1? The reaction is now going to commence. Blackfur Tiger, okay. Also, I can only hope that this time we're not... yeah, that this time we are not gonna be getting 5 episodes of talking around the table. That would be greatly appreciated. Right. Oh wow. Of course. Seems like everything is chill.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, there he is, Rigord. Yeah, he's high. Oh my. You are the demiurge of this series. Wait, no, answer the question. What is that thing doing here? That's very important info. Worried. Oh, okay. Yeah. What a hassle. Huh? What? What do you mean? Why did she on... Yeah, no. Oh, Razen, sure. Sure, the strongest wizard. 7 primordial demons, of course. Yeah. Whoa, a strong servant. Yes, that would be something. Yeah, obviously. Wow, okay. Right. Right, but you won't even exist anymore otherwise. What did she even do to them? Wow, I mean, Shion, I guess I respect that. Right. Good that you know your place. Sure. Temper. Preventing betrayal is... Okay, what is temper? Okay. I wonder who's the strongest human in this world. It must be another world, and it's probably Hinata, I would guess. Right. Hype Rimuru. Hype him up greater. Yes, great. No. Be careful. Oh. Yeah, other waters. Yep, thank you for doing this. Oh, you were? Okay. Wow. Yeah, sure. Yeah. There we go. This is destroy him. Nice. Yeah. Right. I mean, probably not. Don't do this. Yeah. Yes you are. A full potion of local specialty of our nation, of course. Yeah, actually probably the case, legitimately. Oh, vassal state, yeah. Yeah, no it doesn't. Option 3 is not that. No. Yeah, very much so. No. Yeah. Indeed. Yeah, clearly. I think the best option is probably option 2. It's honestly the most generous one. But anyway, I think they want option 1, right? Rimuru. Yeah. Yeah, it was, definitely. Yes. Yeah, explain your plan. A lot of reading actually in this episode. And I was literally just talking about it. But anyway, I don't know how this reaction is going to be. I legitimately have no idea. But there were some fun moments, I will say that. Yeah. Obviously. Okay. Sure, is he just gonna leave teleportation? You know, honestly, this might be a very short discussion because this episode was a lot of talking. You know, what a setup that obviously, I had a strong suspicion is gonna be happening regardless. Clearly enough, the whole idea is that they're removing the previous king and they're putting Yomi in his place, as they said already, going to rule the kingdom, also getting a good financial, support from it, and Yomi is going to improve it. Basically, it really is just a part of the Jura Forest. Eventually, it might as well be that, even though officially it will be its own kingdom, sure. But obvious result is that, yeah, it's just another state, obviously, and Yomi would not want to go against it. I do think it is remarkably enjoyable regardless. Also, talking about things that are remarkably enjoyable, what did she do to them? What did she feed them? How did she begin to do what she did to them? So much so that healing magic cannot fix it. I don't know what to say on that. But overall, they set up everything, they got the army, they convinced the leaders of the country to know their place, I suppose, and we'll see how things are gonna develop. But regardless, I did have a lot of fun, and I'm legitimately looking forward to our next one. So, that is your directed from the channel, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.